Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to use AI Unblur on this device. So first of all, let's open Photos application on your device and let's select a photo that you want to edit. Now we want to tap Edit button, which is pencil icon at the bottom side of the screen. Now let's tap AI Editor, and from the list of options you want to find Unblur option. Then wait a few seconds for AI to analyze the motion patterns, and phone will show you before and after if you press this compare. So here are no such results because this photo does not contain any motion. This is static photo, but still this is how you can use it. And now tap Done button in the bottom right, then tap it once again, and let's tap Save button. You can replace original photo, or you can save this edited second photo as a copy. Let's tap Save Copy, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.